Hey guys, it's Candy with KANDI'S Kreations. Today we're going to make a patriotic grapevine with some amazing products from my friends at TMI Gifts. Here I just attached some extra long pipe cleaners with a stapler and some hot glue. Next, we're going to make a beautiful patriotic bow. I love this double-sided ribbon. And we're going to attach it with a zip tie and then just fill out all around it with some of the beautiful sprays, florals, and greenery. I'm just going to fluff these tails and loops really good and go back in and dovetail them. I'm going to first start with these really pretty red sprays. They have pip berries on them and they're just long and wispy and beautiful. I love those. As you can see, I used 2 whole ones and then cut up the others to sprinkle throughout. Next, we're going to go in and just green up this base and sprinkle this beautiful greenery all throughout. Now we're just going to sprinkle some of these pops of white florals throughout to give it some color. Next, we're just going to sprinkle out some of this baby's breath greenery to give it some more filler and pops of white. Next, we're going to go in with some of these really cute patriotic curly sprays. I'm going to use a whole pick coming from the bottom, and I will cut up the rest to just sprinkle throughout around the florals and greenery. Next, I'm going to take a couple of ribbons and just add them to that outer of my grapevine just for an extra pop of the baby bow. And there you have it, a super cute patriotic grapevine with florals, greenery, and really pretty pics. Be sure to take a screenshot of this and use code KANDI, KANDI 25 at checkout.